Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to learn how to say family relationships names in Tamil. Let's get started. So firstly, let's see basic family relationships. So start with father, appa, and then mother, amma, sister. In general term, we call sagodari. For brother, in general term, we call sagodaran. And then younger sister, Tangai or Tangachi. The term Tangachi is very common. And then for elder sister, Akka. And then younger brother, Tambi. Elder brother, Annan. Grandfather, Tata. Grandmother, Patti. Great grandfather, Kollu Tata. Great grandmother, Kollu Patti. Now let's see the father's family members, how they are related. Father's elder brother, Periyappa. Father's elder brother's wife, Periyamma. Father's younger brother, Chittappa. Father's younger brother's wife, Chitti. Father's elder or younger sister, Attai. Father's elder or younger sister's husband, Mama. Now let now let's see mother's family members, how they're called. Mother's elder or younger brother, both are called Mama. Since this relationship is very popular in Tamil culture, the term Thai Maman is also used, popular in popular culture. And next, mother's elder or younger brother's wife, Attai. Mother's younger sister, Chitti. Mother's younger sister's husband, Chittappa. Mother's elder sister, Periyamma. Mother's elder sister's husband, Periyappa. Now let's see how husband's family members are called in Tamil. Husband's, it is with relation to a wife. A husband's mother, that is mother-in-law, is called Mamiyar. A husband's father, that is father-in-law, is called Mamanar. A husband's elder or younger sister is called Nathanar. Husband's elder brother is called Machandar. Husband's younger brother is called Kolundanar. Now let's see a wife's family members, how they are called. This is in relation to a husband. A wife's mother, that is mother-in-law, is called again Mamiyar. A wife's father, that is father-in-law, is called Mamanar. Wife's elder or younger sister is called Kolundiya. A wife's elder or younger sister's husband is called Sagalai. A wife's elder or younger brother is called Machinan. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned the various relationship names in Tamil. I hope you found the content very useful. If you like my content, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your support. Bye bye.